Your girl is definitely feeling this unit. I love this unit. I am really shocked. And this is a frontal unit, so you can, if you wanted to, you could pull this part up into like a bun, you know, like in a little cute little top knot, and it shouldn't show anything in the back because it's a frontal, and because of the way that this wig is constructed, I don't think it'll show anything in the back. So yeah, just so you guys can get a look at that. I hope you can see it. Like, it feels good. It's like having a lightweight braided something on your head. It's like getting your hair braided. I feel like it looks realistic. I feel like it looks really good. Like, I think, they did this. Like, I love everything about this wig.